Perfect. So
I can ask you the questions.
yeah, that
Okay,
works.
perfect.
Yeah, that works. Yeah, yeah. I'm like, okay, so I was like, okay,
No worries.
yeah.
So what is your name and the name of your business?
So my name is Kike Barrios, and I'm a singer-songwriter.
Beautiful. And what did you learn today that you can apply?
The Let me start from the
That's
beginning.
okay.
Sorry.
We can edit it.
Oh, okay, okay, cool.
You're good.
So what I learned the most today is how I can actually promote my music and my project uh, everywhere online. What are the best techniques to use? So I'm eager just to put them in practice.
Beautiful. And in your own words, what was your biggest takeaway from the workshop, or what did you think of it?
The workshop was amazing. You know, it's great that you guys do this. This helps us a lot. There's a lot of people in different industries that can take advantage of this plan, right? So learning how to promote yourself, how to show your product out there for others to be able to look at your art, in my case, as a musician, it's awesome.
Awesome. And what did you think of the speaker?
And the best way it's how Manuel introduces to the whole thing, how he present everything. It's very smooth. It's very understandable. So it's just amazing.
Perfect. And you think other people should come to the workshops and they could benefit from it?
I definitely think that other people should come to this workshop. They would definitely take a lot of advantage of it.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.